In this video, we'll go over workflow run history in Engine. From the dashboard, open the Workflows section from the left sidebar. Then, choose the workflow you want to review. In this example, we open the workflow named Send HTTP Request 1. Inside the workflow editor, you can see the workflow steps and the top action buttons. Next to Save and Run, open the History panel. The History panel includes two main tabs, Executions and Versions. Under Executions, you can review recent workflow runs, including the run status, date and time, user, duration, and number of executed steps. Here, you can view recent workflow runs. Selecting a run displays its execution on the canvas, with completed steps highlighted in green and a summary shown below. You can also rerun a previous execution, refresh the list, filter the results, or download the execution history as a CSV file. Now, let's switch to the Versions tab. Versions show saved workflow versions, including when the version was created and who saved it. From the Version menu, you can restore a saved version or export it. This makes it easy to track recent runs, review saved versions, and troubleshoot workflow behavior from one place. Once you're done reviewing the history, you can close the panel and return to editing your workflow as usual.